In architectural firms, architects often grapple with a range of challenges. They struggle to obtain timely approvals from all parties, deal with project delays and rising costs, and adopt solutions that fail to integrate seamlessly with their current tools. The result? Endless hours spent on time consuming manual processes. Architects, those creative visionaries, are often weighed down by non design tasks like managing documents and wading through a sea of emails. These challenges not only slow down their productivity, but also hinder their creativity. But there's a solution that's changing the game. Introducing zipBoard, your centralized document hub for streamlining architectural design operations and document management. With zipBoard, you can enjoy an integrated solution including inbuilt document markup tools, task managers, filters, and auto-generated reports all in one convenient platform. Plus, you can set automated reminders and deadlines for documents, and efficiently manage versions of all documents through different phases of architectural projects. Say goodbye to the chaos of endless emails and document management. Zipboard offers a wide range of design markup, commenting, and stamping tools, all accessible from your browser without requiring any installation. Whether it's a rectangle, pencil, arrows, text, or more, Zipboard makes it easy to approve documents quickly and easily from anywhere and by anyone. But that's not all. By using Zipboard, you can save a remarkable 2 hours per day per internal team member and increase efficiency in document processing and reviews by staggering 80%. Enhance collaboration and work seamlessly with your internal teams, vendors, and clients using a single dashboard for reviews and feedback. Zipboard's centralized communication features make it easy to collaborate with all parties, with permissions to control who sees what. All communication is recorded and stored in a central location, so everyone can stay on the same page.